the information about the COVID vaccine, like who has to be taken, who should not be taken, and are there any contraindication. This COVID-19 vaccine is being advised to be given only for the individual who are more than 18 years old. And if somebody is taking already another vaccine, then there has to be at least 2 weeks or 14 weeks gap should be there if you have taken other vaccine. And the second dose of the vaccine should be of the same COVID-19 vaccine or should be of the same brand is what is being advisable. Are there any absolute contraindications like who should not take this COVID-19 vaccine? Yes, out of which number one is if somebody has got a severe anaphylactic or allergic reaction to the previous COVID-19 vaccine, in such individuals it is absolutely contraindicated. And number two is if somebody has got a severe anaphylactic or allergic reaction to any other injectable drugs or some of the food particles, if they have, in them also this COVID-19 vaccine is contraindicated. It is also contraindicated in pregnant individual as well as women who are lactating or as well as women who are expecting their pregnancy. In them this vaccine is contraindicated because during the study all such individuals were excluded in the COVID vaccine trial. So are there any relative or wherein we can postpone the COVID vaccine? Yes. If somebody is having an active COVID infection right now, in them it is advisable to postpone taking the COVID vaccine at least 4 to 8 weeks after they get cured from the COVID infection. Number two is if somebody who has had a COVID infection and who have taken a plasma as a treatment therapy, in such individuals also it is preferable to defer at least 4 to 8 weeks. And in individuals who are acutely severely ill and hospitalized, in such individuals also it is preferable to defer taking this COVID vaccine at least for 4 to weeks. Are there any special precautions when COVID vaccine has been given? Yes. If someone who has got a bleeding or the coagulation abnormality, such as if they have got a platelet abnormality, if they have got a clotting factor deficiency, if they have got a coagulopathy, in them one need to be cautious when administering COVID-19 vaccine. Most importantly, there are many doubts whether somebody who is suffering from chronic illness, whether they should be administered with COVID-19 vaccine. Yes, all the patients who are suffering from chronic illness such as chronic bronchitis, asthma, neurological problem or the cardiac problem, all these individuals are advised to take COVID-19 vaccine. So hence these vaccines are administered for all the patients who are having a chronic illness also. And patients who are immunodeficient and patients such as HIV or other immunodeficient individuals also, COVID-19 vaccine is advised. So these are the few important points that are available as a guideline that is being given by the Government of India as of now, and we are all eagerly waiting to get the COVID vaccine so that all of us can live happily. And as the days progresses, we will keep you updated more about the COVID vaccine. Thank you.